Okay, y'all. It is nighttime, and this climate control window air conditioning seems to be going pretty fine. Sorry, I was talking about myself. But anyways, is how here is how good the air is acting, coming out. How good it's blowing air. Hopefully you heard that. And yeah, it is cranked down to 66. There's the controllers. Like, you can't really see much because it's a little dark, so we'll turn on this lamp. I am at my dad's house right now. So, this is the fan. Oh, shoot. Uh-huh. What did I just do on accident? Hold on, guys. I'm gonna have to fix this little incident. Hold on a second. Oh no, I just big mistake. Maybe I should have just did that instead. There's the fan. There's the temperature control. I don't know what that is. Oh my gosh. I just made a big old mistake. Hold on a sec, I have to figure something out. I'm gonna have to fix this later, but anyways, this thing does a good job. Don't accuse me of trying to play with it. Please don't. I don't like being accused of doing anything that I didn't actually do. Especially if it's in a negative manner, please. This back here is the filter that sucks up the bacteria, I think. I don't know how long we're gonna have to have this in because our our public conditioner is is completely shut down because I think there's something wrong with it. Either that or it broke. It's definitely one of the two, so that's why, to keep the house nice and fresh aired, we have this. It's nice and cold. Maybe Dad could show me. He could show me when he gets up here, or yeah.